Alright, today is September 1st, 2024. I am cooking in my kitchen! Yay! First time cooking in the kitchen, so I'm super excited. I still have a couple things to do on the boat, but as you can see, my sink is filled with dirty dishes, which never happen. It never happens. Usually my dishes maybe stay dirty in the sink for a couple hours. 1 week of dirty dishes in the sink. So we finally emptied the kitchen tank because it is a separate metal tank. I'm making a video, sweetie. My honey's in the cockpit over there chilling. Anyway, let me show him. Huh? Hi, sweetie.
Sunday fun day.
Yeah, Sunday fun day. So it was chilly today. I was actually wearing parka this morning. And so, but anyhow, yeah, this is my galley. Cooking, I gotta serve dirty dishes. This is my tiny little galley. I'll claim these 2 cabinets for myself. And here we are. Have fun.